So this is the question. Manufacturer sells a TV to the dealer for rupees 18,000. So basic selling price, basic means without tax. The dealer buys it for 18,000 without tax. He sells it to the consumer at a profit of 1500. So basic selling price. So basic always means without tax. Consumer buys it for 19,500. Now the rate of GST. The rate of GST is 12%. Now the first question is, so we have to find GST paid by the dealer to the state government, and it is intrastate. It is intrastate. So method 1 is shortcut method. Since it is intrastate, the formula is SGST, State Goods and Services Tax. The rate of GST will be halved of profit. This is rate of tax. So R is 12. So 12 by 2% of 1500. It is 6% of 1500. Of 1500. It is rupees 90. It's a very short method. So, but this formula can be used if the rate of tax is same while buying and while selling. Now, the other method I will tell you. So, alternative method, the state government and services tax paid by the dealer will be output tax minus input tax. Now, the output tax is of the basic selling price. So it is 6% off. The selling price was 19500. 1170, and the input tax of basic cost price, again 6% of 18,000, 1080, and finally the GST paid by dealer to state government is output tax minus input tax, which is 1170 minus 1080, rupees 90. So this is another method. The first method is better, but the first method can be used only if the rate of GST is same while buying and while selling. The second part is the total amount of GST received by the central government. It is neither manufacturer nor dealer, but after the transaction is over, the consumer buys it. The amount of GST received by the central government, the formula is R by 2% of the amount paid by consumer without tax. It is 12 by 2% of 19,500 or 6 by 100 of 1170. The third part is amount of GST received by the state government. This is equal to the amount of GST received by central government. It is same as rupees 1170. And finally, and the last part is very important for ICSE. Always this question will come. So this is the basic selling price plus tax GST total. So there are two ways of doing it. Either you write 19,500 plus 1170 plus 1170. That comes to 21840, or 19500 plus 12% of 19500. It is 19500 plus 1150, 1170 plus 1170 is 2340. It comes to same. 21840. Both are same. Either do this way or do this way. It's up to you.